A blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss with another video. Please put a like, leave a comment, and make a get straight into this. Yes, me there Canada drive up and down you know. Yeah, cause everybody want to know me there. Anyway, big up on yourself, like the video, guys. Alright, so me have a guy where him say 2 election ago him vote Democrat, and this time him following no wife and vote Republican because based which part they live, majority of people him are Trumpists, and him say right now all of them are feel it and all of them regret, and then can't wait for midterms come for them to vote elsewhere. But I don't know. The man say, trust me, him vote because him think say things would have better, but right now it's stressing on him wife. The man say him wife, one of them worker they will lose her job. Jano, you can't make this up. Hey, Jamaican they in every little corner, eh? No, sir. Jamaican they in every little corner. But anyway, guys, this guy's invites kind of wanting co-worker and family member, they know about him. So certain things where I keep it on a level. But I could drive and I could listen. And also in the video, I have a girl who called last night and lay out some good points. So you can listen to that before. After that, now, I just come live. Alright, so enjoy the video. Big up on yourself. Listen this.
MIXUP boss. Now about story of your share it. Let me tell you this. I'm living in America for 12 years now, and I've been through 3 different presidents. Alright, so I've been through Obama, Biden, and Donald Trump. For the past 3 elections, I've voted Democrat. And my wife, I'm married 2 times. My now wife, she's white and she's a Trumpist, so, she has someone for vote for you. Republican, but she's done out Trump because price of things are gonna go down. We're gonna get more benefits. Trump is a businessman and Trump are gonna make America, which again. So, in my community, we live where does 3 black person live there? So I'm mostly white people, and trust me when I'm not want to disclose the place. Yeah? And these guys and vice, please come and I want some of my friend them for a year, cause when I really share where I'm a stance, and come on to politics, cause people, we here to just because they choose that particular party where them no support, understand? During the campaign, Trump promises was like getting things in order. Alright, me personally, not really worry about illegal immigrants. Is like, we not benefit with we forget certain things. So things like, where people housing and illegal immigrants so come and they might get hotel, they might get money, and we the odd taxpayers of here work hard and pay tax, and it's unfair. So that was one of the main policy why I vote for Donald Trump. Alright, now we draw it this segment, are you sure? But I'm gonna tell you this, and I'm proud to say this right now. March 11, 2025. I regret voting for DT. Based on how I see my behave on the promises we make, oh, you're gonna make things cheaper. It's totally the opposite. You understand? When we see him start talk about turf 25% on Canada and all of that, and trust me, it mix up, boss. I go in a store now. We don't know if we bought some people live a $17. Fear does not egg. It come like hot bread. I think one of the minister them come out say, them I forgot, get chicken, more chicken in a farming industry. Which farm I live? My mentalities. My white family them not live far, and right now, them white and yet I consider them Trumpists. But right now, we can't tell it is. Them are wait for the next election for come. So then can change them for what we call until it is. If this a man if run, if election for run tomorrow in America, that the man they can win mix-up bars my tether car. My wife are one of them who get laid off. Yeah? She one of them will get laid off. And right now I like pressure upon me for now because she has a job. She not getting on it. And VR fever Sheena, it's so tight, so we try work out things right. I didn't contribute of it here. But I guess if we even vote for Democrat, it would make a difference, car. The margin may win now in the sea, but this man don't know where my the mix-up bars. This man, he might make a country go bankrupt. Tax everything a good on. Everything. Every day is a different thing. This man does. And I love this stand, so Canada put out upon him because this moment, he might have about turf and inch up it. You can't trust a man like that. Can understand? And it hurt us. So Canada tet dong already, American goods them, half of them shelf and them must turn up against this man. The first term, it wasn't so bad. Only the COVID he never deal with the right way about. This term, I must about 2 months now, and trust me, I be miss up a guan and the man not ready for this. I'm not ready for this, so I regret giving him my vote because it caused more of our job, and plus, food price, everything gone up. You understand? So, now one of them will take off my hat and say, sorry, I'm a vote for him. And he doing a good job, is a yard man in America, but I don't know where I keep it upon a level, car. It is what it is, man. I didn't say learn from a mistake, and every day I just can't wait for year walk one paninos because every day, instead of the country go, Peter go down. So, if people want to come to me now, comment and cuss me. It's my honest story. Leave a story situation. But it is what it is. Big up yourself, go and do a good job. Yeah, cool.
Wow. But me know want to think about this video, guys. Right, I tell you. Yes, everybody do what they want to do, yeah. But you have consequences with choices you make, so you go. Anyway, make we get on to the call that I'm telling about. Make we listen.
And I have a lot of respect for what you're doing for yourself and for reaching out to people. But what I call about is I was listening. Guy that was talking, I think was sometime since night here. He was saying to you about employment and all this kind of stuff. And he make a comment to said, what he said? He said that black and white American would do all them work what Spanish is doing. And then another comment he make to said, which is I don't know if he's lean or he's straight is none of my business. But as a Jamaican that take my citizenship and go through all of that and understand America more than I understand, Jamaica, because I've been here 36 years. So America was built based on immigrant. They didn't have no immigration. That's right through whatever is come up into where you take for citizenship. That was a part of it. Some of the stuff that you know. So when I hear him make that comment, I'm saying, MIXUP boss, him not really understand it. Because what the guy said, I wasn't blaming you. I was saying what the guy, that's what made me call. Because I go in the house and I say to my lady, and she's American, and I said, where this guy get this thing from? America was built on immigrants, man. They didn't have no immigration when America was start building. All them thousands of people that dead off or make Panama Canal and all of that kind of crap. So the guy didn't really know what he's talking about because America was built purely on immigrants. And this is conversation where I'm a guy that's in the landscaping business. And this is something that me and most of my customer base is white. And most of my time in America I spend around these people. And I try to educate them about little I know about Jamaica. And that topic always come up because a lot of their folk parents, where their great-great-grandfather come from, is Iceland or somewhere. You know what I mean? So that's why I call because I was itching. I was itching, boss. I was itching. I couldn't understand what the guy was saying. A lot of, and saying cheap labor. My dad lived upstate New York for many, many years. My dad is 91. And he's come here when he was 18, was chopping sugar cane in Belgrade. So, you know, my upstate New York, I don't think it's that like that now. The last time I've been up there, which is not last year, October, the year before, and when up there, not in a New York City, upstate, okay, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the morning, I always see Spanish at gas station looking for getting picked up for work. And the last time I was up there for my dad's 90th birthday, I could not believe the amount of, this is before Trump, I could not believe the amount of Spanish I see all over the place. And my dad will said, they don't work for cheap. It's from 20 and up. So again, what the guy is saying, he don't know what he's talking about. Because a lot of these people that are undocumented, they're not working for no $10 and $15. I can tell you that, bro. They're not working. They're not working for that. So I hope, you know, somebody else can come online that really know. Because I'm in the street and most of my friends and it's white American and in the landscape. The thing with a lot of Americans is that picking tomatoes and all of that, if you pay them $40 an hour, their body cannot withstand it, MIXUP boss. They can't withstand it.
Yeah, that's what
take it from a guy.
That's what
when I was a youngster in Jamaica, I used to make black. Black I used to make before me come here. I used to make concrete black. So you're not talking to a guy where me dig ditches and all of that. Right out of flour mill there, so me almost dead. I want gas company out there. So every time I come to Jamaica, I'm past there with a bigger foundation. So, you know, taking it from somebody where know about hard work. But a lot of the black and white American, because I hire them. And most white American owner that own company, they like foreigners because foreigners have a hard-working background. It's not about cheap. Lie that, MIXUP boss. Lie that. I can tell you that. I can stick my neck on the block because most of my surrounding is white, and they don't hire their own kind, not because of money, but because of work ethic.
Oh, so you're saying that?
Yeah, I'm telling you, because of work ethic. What that guy is saying, he don't know what he's talking about.
Okay, because so the Caucasian higher base, I know you can work.
Yes, it's okay. So most of the house cleaning that happen over here. Well, I'm in Jacksonville, Florida. Most of the house cleaning, it's done by Spanish, and it's not cheap. The reason. A lot of my customer, I think I have maybe 2 black customers. And it's not like I'm prejudice or nothing like that. It's just, let me tell you something. In business here, if you really want to earn certain amount of money, you're going to have to seek the client, like lawyer and doctor, who's making huge amount of money. Do you know they have a service that pick up dog shit? Dog shit. Okay? So it sounds crazy, but this is America. Anything is possible, bro. And I was going to add it to my business. My company is 22 years and 4 months.
So
I was going to add it to my business when I...
You have a business, you have a company where I have to just send people to go take up dog shit?
Yeah, in Jacksonville here, there are about 5 companies. But what I'm sharing with you, yes, man.
I know Jamaica, if on dog shit somewhere we get mad and fling 2 stone and find retire up and can't go get somebody. You saw we deal with dog out there?
Yeah, then come on, man. Then you know, tell us, come on. No matter how long media Jamaica, because I love my country, no MIXUP. I love my country, no matter who I go in Jamaica. Nobody can turn my mind from Jamaica.
You know, we're blood,
no,
man.
Sir. No, man, a real thing I'm telling you that some of the people that come on and talk, they don't really fully understand what they talk
And why
about.
do one lady come on and she talk about if the third generation, if me do something and live in Canada, say if me get in a problem, even though I'm born over there, they can deport me back. One man takes me to them and say, yo, tell the woman this if you stop talk rubbish, man, on national radio, because radio and call the station. He said nothing cannot revoke your citizenship once you're born in one country. If you go deport to a different country. Stop make she come on the show and chat foolishness. The man was so pissed today. The man said,
I was listening it.
yeah, he said, where you get them people that come and chat all the time about foolish? I mean, I wonder if some people not read or study the law of a country before they come on here. And is it true me there at Jamaica? Sometimes some people come and talk some things. Me not really have the time for go study. For God's sake. Because there's so many things that I don't know. But I know basic. So people come and talk something, but I always have my people I'm ready for back up. If somebody talks something stupid, they're ready to unleash. But the lady there, the man, just I hear the story and the man say, yo, a garbage share chat. Nothing I mean.
Yeah, I was listening it and was sitting next to, matter of fact, I was doing some work, some drainage work in my yard, and normally I listen, I have my phone on my clip and I listen to your stuff. As I said, you know, really you and when they live Fort Lauderdale, I listen to him, SoFlo. Yeah, but you know, with your topic, you know, you're talking about it's different stuff when we talk about, you know.
Yeah, we talk different, we blog different, but sometimes some, you know, the man then I game long before me. Me just there 2.5 or 3 years now, so I don't know.
Yeah, but you know, the truth, I have a lot of, you know, I don't know the eye, but I have a lot of respect for the eye when I hear the eye talk about how him grew up and where him nav, and the other day me hear talk about, because me's a man where even though you talk about my father, when me there at Jamaica, me grew up, me born at St. Elizabeth. And left St. Elizabeth, come at town when I was 3 years old. And then, and me never know my father till when me come to America. You see what I mean? So as a youth, you know, when me hear you talk about your growing up, it touched me. Yeah, man, on a mix-up thing, man, it touched me, man, because I respect you because, you know, because of this. The other day, I listen and you talk about where you start from and all of that. I say, goosebumps come over my body, man, because like you talk about me, no dread. Yeah, man. Yes, man, I'm telling you, man.
That's how my story them stay, man. Anytime I start talk about myself, it always inspire and touch people.
Because I need that too. Because, you know, even boss coming to America here, America is a place where a lot of the people are not going back home. When you come into, I can speak for United States. I go to Canada and all of that because I have a huge amount of family in Canada. But when you come into United States, I always tell people, say, you see your behavior and whatever you have, when you're good, leave it before you get on the plane. Because there's amount of opportunity here. Just like the lady where the guy was talking about, said she not shelter for 2 years. I agree with the two guys what them said. Because America is I know people were there longer than me do know. 40-something years, you know. And they can't buy a ticket to go to Jamaica. I know people were there almost 40 years and not straight, you know. And they have a house, you know. And then my family die, you know. So I know people that just come here 5 years and they married and that never work and then go again. And then my citizen already. So America is a place, you know.
The post a story since night with a guy go through, he married a lady and he bring up his daughter. She never want his daughter to stay over there, so he build up a big argument and him leave the premises. And him sign up for a thing named Avowa name?
Yep.
Yeah, and him getting 2-year green card. And today mother informed me say he is now a United States citizen. Them ask him 6 questions. And he answer 6 of them, and he's a proud. He saying can dash a green card now and go apply for him passport. You know?
Yeah.
So he get it on a Trump administration, even though people that say, Lord God, Trump I got this, Trump I got that. He still come out and get for him. So
The thing with Trump, one of my best friend is Dominican and he's a Democrat, and last year he didn't vote, but him said Trump is the best guy. So you have a lot of people that don't, and the reason why you have you got to have some farm. The good always suffer for the bad. How it really go. Mm-hmm. And since Biden came, Biden didn't really do anything. I tell you, I'm in the landscaping business, man. My thing, I run 6 trucks. And when you're talking about the gas, when Biden go in the house, the gas start running through the roof. So a lot of people, you see, you should notice that JLP have more money than PMP. Am I right?
If I check you out,
Jamaica. So
yeah.
I would have said in America where you have Democrat and Republican have more money than Democrat. Mm-hmm. So Republican are the money god in America. So a lot of the people when Trump do win the first time, in the building construction, it was on a fire. The big nursery them that we shop and buy plant, they want to say what's going to happen if the bubble is going to burst, meaning that so much money was spending because a lot of Republicans did hold on to their money. So sometimes I hear some people talk some stuff on your show. I don't know if they're in the bushes or whatever. And so a lot of businessmen who have billions of dollars, because here what happened MIXUP. We have to love the people who has money, because we thought those people, the people who have money, if they put them under their pocket and gone to Europe to live, the little people have not a job. So regardless of what they're saying, the little people really need the people who have millions of dollars. And I think when people, they get too caught up in the color and all this kind of crap and don't really understand. Mm-hmm. And I'm telling you, I don't get caught up in that kind of stuff because America is a place where if you come here, you need to know what you want. Mm-hmm. And I'm talking to you right now. I'm going to work on one of my equipment, my lawnmower. You know what I said? Mm-hmm. So me never lose my fire. Me never lose my fire so much years me there. Me never lose my fire. My family said, you work too much. My ex-wife used to complain to my mother and said, all Roger do is care about the almighty dollar. And then she want to cut my neck. You understand me? She want to cut my neck. We can't tell a story, but I show, as I said, I have a lot of respect for you. I keep on doing what you're doing. You're a person just like me. Yeah, man. No man are bigger than a man, A man are bigger than a man. Some man get $1 little and then feel like saying bigger than the next man.
Awesome.
We all I see him. It's just that a man have 10 shoes and the next man have 1. Right. And that's that I might believe in from dear Jamaica. You know what I mean? A whole heap of black me make a hungry stomach. So you see, when me come to America, me come here today, and me get a job today, and me a work, I'm gonna stop. So when you come to them place, opportunist place, you can come here and lay and take woman feet and all of that. A lot of the guys that married and come here and beat woman, they should know that from Jamaica. That this is not a country where you can fight and beat woman and all of it. You can't do that right here, so man. No.
Real talk.
Number one, come here for that. There, me hear a guy say what I'm saying, go through, cause as I say, maybe 3 months don't listen to your show. I come across it and I say, I really like that guy, I want the guy reason, And then, you're somebody that coming from nowhere, man. Yeah, and just keep on doing what you're doing, man.
Thank you very much, Carla.
Keep on hold up your head, man. Me love to see when my people, Jamaican hold up there, MIXUP. Yeah. When I think me not like, when Jamaican come here, and all them other drink and I got party, I say, send them blood clot one, Trump. Excuse me language, man. Send them woman. I come in a barn. I'm a citizen here for 25 years. Yeah. Okay, born here, so I know feel place. It's a privilege for you to be here, and I'm a citizen. Okay, and my youth them born here. My oldest is 35. So it's the bottom line is I don't feel like me special. And another thing with the citizenship where you will hear say give people citizenship, a lot of immigrants don't like to hear that. Take it from me. We're not talking about American. A lot of immigrants, such as Spanish, whether you're talking about Guatemalans or you're talking about come from Chavez country, They don't like it. The reason why, because they go through the system and they did have to take tests to get their citizenship, just like me. That's why when I hear the guy said about immigrants and immigrants build America, man. I don't know where it come from. Immigrants build this country. There was no immigration here when America build until they say, you know what, we need to put up wall. But before that, people was coming on board and America want people to come and work. There was no immigration before. And these immigrants build America. I don't know where you get that from, say America was built.
Alright, Carla, big up yourself, man, and thanks.
Big up yourself, man. One of them times when I come a yard, I would love to meet the guy because, you know.
Man.
Yeah.
No problem.
He's a guy just like me and I tried, yeah? You see what I mean?
Yeah, man. Alright, cool.
Have a good night, man.
Yeah, man. You too. Bye-bye.